Hey guys, this is Cynthia, and we had one major problem. We don't speak the same language, but we figured it out. And we figured out that her hair was fried. So we started off 4 weeks ago with a hair resurrection, which is a Malibu C CPR and an Olaplex standalone treatment. We cut some hair off. Now this is 4 weeks later, and I was just going to glaze her. And I said, you know what? Screw it. Let's do it. And me and Jess hit it. We hit it with Oligo Pro Cream Lightener, which is their lightest lightener, and 20 volume and Olaplex. And we just started going to it. And I'm working it through the cold shaft. And you can see there was more bands in her hair than a Lollapalooza concert. So I want to skip that piece in the middle. I will eventually pull it through, but I have to wait till those other pieces catch up to that lightness. So once she reaches about a level 7, we're going to go ahead and hit the root and hit that band. So she's got box color. She has professional lightening on here. She got it all going on. And she promises she is not going to touch her hair no more. She's going to come see me every 6 weeks. So now that that's all processed, we are going to hit the roots, and then we are going to hit that one spot in the middle. So on the roots, we did Oligo Pro Cream Lightener with 1 scoop of Cool Tone and 20 volume and Olaplex, and we're just pulling that all through. She is good. I am not making her a level 10. I mean, that's ridiculous. Like, it would just not match her skin tone well. So now we had to tone her twice, and this is the first tone with Magix 10. We did it into a demi, and we combed it through, and I had to do it again with Oligo Pro because there was just so much banding going on. Guys, look at this. How amazing did this come out? Guys, don't forget the link is in the bio. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.